When I first started sewing, I thought my outfit looked great, but the truth is, they did not. I made so many mistakes that completely ruined my outfit, and today I'm sharing the 6 mistakes I made before I could sew professionally, and I learned to fix each of them. My first mistake was wrong neck piping. When I started, I didn't know how important small details were. I used thick, uneven piping that made my neckline look messy. I didn't even notice at first until I compared it to professionally made outfits. Now that I sew professionally, I measure my piping carefully, using the right foot on the machine and ironing thoroughly, because small details like this completely change the look of your outfit. I have a video where you can watch how to cut and sew a neck piping perfectly. The next mistake is wrong measurement. Some of my first outfits were too tight, too short. As you can see from this picture, the sleeve is very short. Now, I always double check my measurement, measure twice, because accurate measurements are one of the simplest ways to make an outfit look professional, even if you are using simple fabrics. The third mistake was big blankets. I thought making them wide would look stylish, but the truth is, it was awful. Now I size my blanket proportionally and use clean top stitching. It's such a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in making an outfit look refined. My greatest mistake was rough stitching. I rushed sometimes and my stitches were uneven. I remember thinking it's good enough, but it wasn't. Rough stitch are one of the fastest ways to make a garment look unprofessional. You can see example of them in these pictures. Now I take my time with each seam, check tension, and use the right stitch length. Even tiny details like this matter. It's incredible how paying attention to your stitches elevates the whole outfit. Another mistake was that most of my outfit back then had too many designs. I thought adding these designs would make me look creative, but instead it looked messy and distracting. Now I keep design simple and intentional. Sometimes less really is normal. My final mistake was not ironing at all. Sometimes during sewing or after sewing an outfit, I won't iron it. Instead, I would wear it like that. Over time, I began to notice that the wrinkles made the outfit to look boring. Now, I make sure while sewing or after sewing, I iron everything, because even small wrinkles can make a polished outfit look messy. So ironing is one of the easiest ways to instantly improve your look. These are the 6 mistakes I made before I could sew professionally, and fixing these mistakes changed everything. It's not about the expensive fabrics or the fancy pattern. It's about the details and the nice finishing that matters. I hope this journey helps you avoid these mistakes and improve your own outfit. Please let me know if you experienced any of these mistakes in the comment section.